Hi children, good morning. Good morning. How are you all? Yes, fine. Okay, I am also fine. Thank you. Okay, hope you are all good and safe at home. Okay, have you done the homework of previous class? Okay, did you post the homework to your concerned class teacher? Yes. Okay. Last class what we have revised, now this is revision, no? Last class what we have revised? Tell me. Phonic drill of vowel A. Phonic drill of vowel A. Have you matched the words? Okay. Have you practiced the words for 5 times? Okay, you will do. I know you are very good children. Okay. Now coming to today's class. Now page number 11. దిస్ వీ హ్యావ్ డన్ ప్రీవియస్ క్లాస్. మనం ఇది లాస్ట్ క్లాస్లో చేసాం కదా. ఇక్కడ ఏంటి, ఒక బోయ్ ఉంది, దానికి మనము ఇక్కడ నెంబరింగ్స్ ఉన్నాయి కదా. దే హ్యావ్ గివెన్ సమ్ నెంబర్స్ 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 లైక్ దట్. 9 నెంబర్స్ ఆర్ గివెన్ అండ్ వన్ బాక్స్ ఆల్సో. నో, ఫస్ట్ నెంబర్, వాట్ ఈస్ దిస్ ఫస్ట్ object here? Number 1 object, what is this one? Cap. What is the spelling of cap? C-A-P. Cap. C-A-P. Cap. C-A-P cap. Now second one. What is second one? Tell me. What is one second one? Bat. B-A-T. Bat. Now third one. Where is the third one? Here. What is this picture? What is the picture of third? Cat. C-A-T. Cat. Now next. Now fourth one. What is this picture? Rat. R-A-T. Rat. Now next picture. What is this one? Bag. B-A-G. Bag. Now next, sixth picture. What is this one? Wag. Dog's tail. No, like this. No, dog's tail. W-A-G. Wag. Now next one. What is this picture? Seventh one. Ram. R-A-M. Ram. Now next one. Eighth one. Where is the eighth? What is this one? From the leaf, one drop is falling down. What is that one? Sap. S-A-P. Sap. లీఫ్ నుంచి వర్షం పడిన చిన్న వాటర్ది ఉంటుంది కదా, అదే కదా. నెక్స్ట్ నైన్త్ వన్. వాట్ ఈస్ దిస్ నైన్త్ వన్? మ్యాట్. ఇన్ అవర్ హోమ్స్, at everyone our homes mat is there, no? Yes or no? Yes. What is C-A-P cap? B-A-T bat. C-A-T cat. R-A-M ram. R-A-T rat. B-A-G bat. W-A-G wag. S-A-P sap. These words we have seen in the previous class. మనం ప్రీవియస్ క్లాస్లో ఇవి చదువుకున్నాం కదా. నేను మీకు ప్రాక్టీస్ చేయమన్నాను కదా 5 times. ఎస్ ఆర్ నో? ప్రాక్టీస్ చేయమన్నాను. ఇది 5 times మిమ్మల్ని ప్రాక్టీస్ చేయమన్నాను కదా. మళ్ళీ ఇంకొకసారి మీరు ప్రాక్టీస్ చేద్దాం బోర్డు. ఓకేనా? లుక్ ఎట్ ద బోర్డ్. యూ హ్యావ్ టు టెల్ విత్ మీ. మీరు చెప్పాలి నాతో. మీరు ఎంత క్లాస్ మంచిగా వింటే మీకు అంత మంచిగా అర్థమవుతుంది. మీరు హోంవర్క్స్ కూడా మంచిగా రాయొచ్చు. ఓకే? C-A-P cap. C-A-P cap. B-A-T bat. C-A-T cat. R-A-M ram. R-A-T rat. B-A-G bag. W-A-G wag. S-A-P sap. Okay? Again once we can revise. Okay. C-A-P cap. B-A-T bat. C-A-T cat. R-A-M ram. R-A-T rat. B-A-G bag. W-A-G wag. S-A-P sap. These all are sound words of vowel vowel E. What kind of the sound words we can see? Vowel E sound words. What is it? Vowel E sound words. In this vowel E sound words, ఈ vowel E sound words లో మనం ఏమేమి sound words చదువుకున్నాం? ED, EG, next ET, again one sound word EN sound word also there, no? EN. Okay, these all sound words. Which sound words? These all are E sound words. Vowel E sound words. We have completed ED sound words, EG sound words, ET sound words, EN sound words. Once again we are revising this one. Okay, today we will revise ED and EG sound words. ED and EG sound words. Okay, now first of all we will see ED sound words. What are the ED sound words? BED, bed. BED, bed. Next RED, red. BED, bed. RED, red. One, now tell with me all of you. మీరందరు నాతో చెప్పాలి. చూడండి బోర్డులో. BED, bed. BED, bed. RED, red. RED, red. Now next, coming to next EG sound words. What are the EG sound words? Tell me. BEG, beg. Next PEG, peg. Next LEG, leg. KEG, keg. BEG, beg. PEG, peg. LEG, leg. KEG, keg. Beg means you know now. What is this one? While drinking milk, we will pour the milk in this one. No? Peg means for cloth. We haven't, while we are drying the cloths, we'll put that one pin. No, that is one. Keg, keeping something, pen, pencil, like this. No? BED, bed. RED, red. These two are ED sound words. EG, what are the EG sound words? B. Now all of you tell with me. You have to tell with me, okay? While I am reading something on the board, you have to read with me. నేను ఏమైనా బోర్డులో రీడ్ చేస్తే మీరు కూడా నాతో రీడ్ చేయాలి, ఓకేనా? BEG, బెక్. PEG, పెక్. PEG, పెక్. నెక్స్ట్ LEG, leg. KEG, keg. BEG, beg. All of you tell with me, don't sleep, okay? BEG, beg. BEG, beg. Next PEG, peg. PEG, peg. LEG, leg. KEG, keg. KEG, keg. Okay, once again we will revise. Once again we will read. Okay, read loudly with me, okay? BED, bed. BED, bed. RED, right. RED, right. Now next EG sound words. BEG, beg. BEG, peg. Beg. PEG, peg. PEG, peg. LEG, leg. LEG, leg. KEG, keg. KEG, keg. Now next one. See, we have some sentences regarding this ED and EG sound words, no? We have two sentences. What is this sentence? A peg. A peg on the keg. A peg on the in exam, a dash on the keg will come. What you have to write here? Leg. What do we have to write? Peg. P-E-G. Peg. Now next. Leg on the bed. B-E-D. Bed. Leg on the bed. Sometimes dash on the bed means what you have to write here? L-E-G. Leg. Leg on the bed. Leg on the bed. Now once again we will read these two sentences. Look at the board, all of you. మళ్ళీ ఈ టూ సెంటెన్స్ రీడ్ చేద్దాం. బోర్డులో చూడండి. ఏ పిఈజీ పెగ్, ఓఎన్ ఆన్ ద, కేఈజీ కెగ్. ఏ పెగ్ ఆన్ ద కెగ్. నెక్స్ట్ ఎల్ఈజీ లెగ్, ఓఎన్ ఆన్, టీహెచ్ఈ ద, బిఈడి బెడ్. లెగ్ ఆన్ ద బెడ్. Sometimes it will come like this also. ఇలా కూడా వస్తుంది. Leg on the dash means what you have to write here? BED bed. Okay? Have you all understood this one? Now today I will give. See, today I will give homework like this. You have to do. One for example I will show. See, for suppose. See. P E G. Now this word is in which letters? Small letters or capital letters? Small letters. Which letters? Small letters. In capital letters also we can write, no? How? Like this. P E G. Peg. P E G. Peg. Again one example I will show. For suppose H E N. Hen. H E in capital letter means how should we write? H you want to write in capital, E also, N also. H E N. Hen. Okay? Like that you have to write. I will give some small letters one side, capital letters one side. You have to match the correct words. Correct word. Now in this vowel E sound we have completed ED and EG sound words. Now see, B dash D. What sound? What letter have to come here? E. B E D. Bed. Now next R dash. What is this one? Figure. What is this figure? This is color. R E D. Red. Now next one. B E. Which letter have to come here? G. B E G. Beg. Now next P dash G. E. P E G. Peg. L dash G. L E G. Leg. K E dash. Which letter have to come here? G. We have done this all in previous class only. No, once again I am explaining. Okay? Now all of you note down the homework. You have to note down the homework very neatly. Okay? Match the following. See, this side small letter words, this side capital letter words. You have to match the correct word. Where is B-E-D? In capital letters, where is B-E-D? You have to match it. Okay? Now next, you have to practice ED and DG sound words for 5 times. You have to practice these words for 5 times, and this you have to match. Okay? Okay. You have to do the homework and you post your homework to your concerned class teacher. We will meet in next class. Thank you.